Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Editing Basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to add Instagram logo in Canva. First step is to open your browser. Now on the search bar, type in canva.com. After opening your Canva, you can create a new design by clicking here. Here I am choosing the YouTube thumbnail. After that, first go to Google and search for the Instagram logo. Now go to images and you can choose any of these images. Right click and here you can see the copy image option. And here paste that image. After that you can take this as reference and go to elements and here you can see this square shape. Now add another one and resize it. Now add this circle shape. Now you can change the color by clicking here. If you click on this plus button and if you click on gradient, then you can add the gradient color into the shape. And if you click on this pen, you can pick a color from your design. Here I am clicking on this. Now you can add another color following that same step. Now if you click on this plus button, you can add other color as well. Now follow that same step for this inner square also. Now for the circle as well, follow that same step. And here if you click on the inner square, on the top you can see this border style option. Click on it and you can add a border. And here you can see border color option. Click on it and change it white. Now for the circle also repeat that same step. Now following this simple step, you have created an Instagram logo using Canva. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.